Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the Supreme Novo. There are 4 different models in the Supreme series. They have the Supreme model featured here is going to be the 24. They also have the smaller 18, and then they do have the larger 34 as well. So I'm going to talk to you guys about some new options that they have on the Novo series. The first option that I want to mention here is going to be the soapstone top. I really love this option. I think it makes the stove look really beautiful. You'll notice inside the firebox as well that the stove has an interior soapstone lining. It looks super sharp with the inner soapstone lining and the soapstone on top. Now, as you know about soapstone, it's going to give you more heat retention. So the previous models, they had stainless steel liners on the interior. They've now replaced those models with either soapstone or cast iron lining. So this is going to be featured in the soapstone. So this Novo is a beautiful, clean face freestanding wood stove. It can be sat here on one of these benches as shown. This is going to be a 56-inch bench. Down here is going to be a 36-inch bench. And then they do also have a podium option as well, which basically sits underneath the stove and can hold log storage. So a couple of design changes on the inside is they no longer have the air tubes located at the top of the firebox. For the reburn system, they have replaced it with a baffle system that's going to have air holes. What's nice about this is, number one, it's going to be easier to clean when you take that top baffle system out, but also you don't have the visual effect of seeing those air tubes across the top of the firebox, but you still get that high efficiency reburn. Also, some people, when they were like loading their stove, they would hit those air tubes and knock them down, so that alleviates that problem as well. I'm going to take you guys inside and show you this beautiful soapstone lining. I really like the soapstone here. It looks really nice. You get that nice heat retention. Again, this top baffle system, which is a stainless steel baffle with the air holes, which replaces the standard air tubes that you're used to seeing. And it does just have a solid steel bottom here. So there is not an ash pan on this particular model. Show you guys the nice thick gasketing on the doors. Supreme does an excellent job. This glass door is beautiful, super contemporary, wide viewing area. Just 2 simple damper controls located at the top here. This is going to be your primary, closed and open, and then your secondary, which is going to be your air wash here. And yeah, they do an excellent job. And their glass burn's really clean. I have some other videos where I do burn demos on the Supreme stoves. And then these are the options that we're talking about. So these are the benches. The small one is a 36-inch. The larger one is a 56-inch. And then of course they do have the standard podium with the log storage that can be added to any of the Novo stoves. So this is going to be the product overview for the Supreme Novo. This is the 24-inch model by Supreme. This product is made in Canada. If you guys like our videos, please don't forget, give me that thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.